Hello, ka-dreamers! Hello, mag-timbits ka na lang kasi kakain naman tayo sa ano. Eh di choose, you want Boston cream or Timbits? Hey! My little soda, Ella. Ano kay din sa'yo? You want Timbits? Okay, I'll get Timbits na lang. Ako na lang o-order.
This is the last day I'm going to Tim Hortons, Mommy.
O, saan? Ano sa'yo? Boston cream din? Ikaw, Daryl, meron ka? Wala. Ikaw na pala. Hindi, ako na.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Can I get
Hi, can I get 1 triple medium and 3 sun cream, please?
Sorry. Can you repeat that one more time?
1 triple and 3 Boston cream.
Medium.
What size for your triple chip?
Medium.
And 3 Boston creams?
Yes.
Okay.
That's
Anything
all.
else? Are you collecting points?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that'll be 755.
Yan, sinasabi ko na sa'yo eh. Oh. Nandito na tayo guys sa Jollibee.
Yay! Yay!
Anong dirty?
Oh.
Ay,
Oh.
nako.
It's a jacket.
Yan, nasa Jollibee na sila.
One eternity later.
Guys, tapos na tayo sa Jollibee. Ay! Oh no! Nahulog! Did you enjoy? Why? What's wrong? Hello? What's wrong? Hmm? Wala naman. Destination? Guys? Where? Costco naman tayo guys. So, yan. Sana may free days para si Ella mabusog. Kasi si Ella, puro tikim-tikim lang, no, Daryl? Tinikman lang yung burger, tas tinikman yung, ano, mas marami siyang, ano, sa juice. Sa pineapple juice. Kanong gas ngayon? 1.15. 1.11 nung nagpagas ako. Madaming nakasale na tsokolate. Lalo na nung Pasko. Ano to? Ay, ganda nito, oh. Ano to? Pangregalo, oh.
LED micro lights.
No?
Marino.
So guys, yan. Binilhan ako ng pa-flowers. Char! Kunwari lang siya. Hindi, bumili siya ng flowers dahil birthday ko. Birth month ko this month. So, yan. So, yan guys. Pauwi na tayo. Are we going home na?
Yeah.
Why?
You open my dress.
Yan guys. Tapos na kami sa pamimili ng mga babaunin nila.
Everyone.
Oh, do you like Ella's boots daw, everyone?
How about me?
What color is your boots, Nak? Oh, what color is that, Ella?
Purple and black.
Purple
You
and
like
black.
my boots too?
Yes, we like your boots too.
And mine is gray and black.
Yeah. So, did you have fun in Costco?
Yeah.
So, bumili lang kami ng mga
There's a
snacks
butterfly
nila.
toy.
Pero inabot ng ano.
Da, da, da,
Basta
da,
mag-Costco, abutin ka talaga ng hundreds.
da, da.
No? 100 plus. Okay, bye guys!
Bye and bye.
Yan guys. So, sa kabila is Homesense and Winners. Pero, hirap ng parkingan dyan. No? Laging busy din.
Mommy.
Yung mga mag-aano na sa Costco.
The clouds, can you look at the phone? The clouds are blue. That's white.
Blurred dito, anak. Eh. Yan. Nag-ano na. Clear na. Blue and white.
Like, can you look at the phone?
Ah.
This. See, it's a little bit blue.
A little bit blue. Hindi naman blue na blue.
Ngayon yung kanino, katabi natin.
Yung Bronco?
Yeah.
Naunahan ka pa. Nina?
One eternity later.
Mommy,
Ha?
did you buy my teacher that we can be rich?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi
Saan tayo,
hawakan ko
Dalarama?
to. Ay, Dalarama, oh. Yan guys, pupunta kami sa Dalarama. Ano? Ha? Malaking GMC. Oh. Uy! Ay, may ano ako dito. Magbibigay na ako. Kawawa naman si kuya.
A few moments later.
Advance naman guys, may Eastern Bunny na.
Yung mga nag-ano.
Ay, oo, naka-ready. Oo. Ang cute, oh. Ay, mag-ano ako ng pang-design ko sa ano ko. Ay, ang cute. Ella, Eastern Bunny. Oh, me check. Uy, there, no, ah. Oh, picture. 1, 2. Ella, 1, 2, 3, smile. Hindi mo naman pinakita si Bunny. Yan, oh. Show it to me. Halloween daw. Anong for Halloween?
Oh, gimme. Kukunin mo ba?
So, ayan. Ready na tayo sa Easter Bunny. Ah, di ba? Si Banengneng. Ay! Valentine's Day. Ready na. Ay, isang taas ng truck. Nalululod kami.
Yan yata yung anim ng gulong eh.
Ay, oo
Dalawa
eh.
sa likod.
Seryoso, may ganun pa. Yan na yung mga may business talaga na ano, no?
Iba pang tow truck.
Oo.
Ay hindi, 4 lang. Mataas lang talaga
Yan.
sa pinataasan.
So, pupunta kami ngayon ng Secret. Hindi, uwi na tayo guys. May nabili ako dito ng money tree na small lang siya. Which is naka-sale. So, tingnan natin. Sana nga. Bonsai. Oo nga, bonsai naman sila. Bonjing. Sabi ni Kaden ang binibili namin. So, we're going to have more money? Sabi tuloy ng babae. Yeah. Bubunga yan ng money.
Parang kay Kaden Sentimos.
Oh.
Tutubo. Tutubo siya.
Tutubo, yun. Ang daming stock ng ano dito. GMC.
May Chevrolet nga isa.
Yun yung binalik siguro or trinade in. Hello, ka-dreamers! So, bubuksan nila Ella and Kaden ang gift nila. To Kaden muna from Lola Roro.
Yay, I got the big
Ah!
gift.
To Ella! It's a purple one. What will you say, Ella? Thank you. It's a clothes.
Yay, toy! I got toys instead of clothes.
Wow, what will you say?
Thank you.
How about you, Ella? What will you say?
I have this one.
Ay, you have that one. Ay, nalungkot. You say thank you pa din. You say thank you.
Thank you for this.
Nalungkot si Ella. Oy,
I want to have. I have this.
that's fine. That's so nice. You can use that at school. It's Mickey.
But I want to have this.
You already have that?
It's Minnie. It said that is Minnie Mouse.
Oh, you share with Ading, kuya.
But this one is that. No, it's only for boys.
Same as your nail polish, right? Show it. Your nail polish is purple. And it's purple.
But I'm going to have that.
You already have that? Say thank you.
I wish I have a toy like that toy, but I don't have a toy. I only have the cards.
Yeah, it's nice. It's purple, right?
But I always want
Ay, yung mukha ni Ella.
you. Move it.
Wala siya. What's that?
That's for mommy.
Oh, you say? Wow, ang sweet naman ni Kaden, boy. That's my boy. Ay! Oh, show it to me, Ella. Ella! Ay, nag-away na.
A few moments later.
Go! Ay! Happy birthday! Sing na nga, Ella! Sing na!
Come here, Kaden. So that I will charge your iPad.
Oh, bilis! The iPad!
Oh, you sing to mommy. I'll charge your iPad na.
Oh, your cellphone. Oh, go na. Sing for me. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sige na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Uy, sa'yo pa.
To mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, what's your wish for me? What's your wish for me?
I will tell.
Baby brother!
I know.
No, wait for mommy. And mommy's wish, the wish for mommy is that mommy should live forever.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you blow na, Ella. Blow for mommy. To live forever. Go na. Oh, blow na. Oh, blow. Sige pa. Oh, sige pa.
More!
Wait.